There is a lot of noise out there about web development. Some people say that artificial intelligence will completely replace developers. Others believe that design alone is all you need for a successful website. And many assume that you can build a website once and never look at it again. But how much of this is actually true? The reality is that most of these ideas are myths. They confuse business owners and even new developers who are trying to understand how the online world really works. So today, let us clear things up. We are going to break down some of the most common misconceptions in web development. We will talk about what is outdated, what is exaggerated, and what truly matters if you want your business to grow online. By the end of this, you will know which ideas to ignore and which facts can genuinely help you make better decisions for your website, your brand, and your digital presence. Let us start with one of the biggest myths in web development, the idea that web development is all about design. This belief sounds convincing, but it is far from the truth. A great design can definitely catch attention, but development is what keeps users engaged, helps them navigate smoothly, and ultimately turns them into customers. Development is the part that brings the design to life. It includes page speed, responsiveness across devices, search engine optimization, overall functionality, and a seamless user flow. These elements work together behind the scenes to create a website that not only looks good but actually performs well. Because the reality is simple. If your website looks beautiful but takes 8 seconds to load, half of your visitors have already left. Design attracts people, but development is what makes them stay and take action. This myth hurts businesses more than anything else. Many people believe that once the website is live, the job is done. But that could not be further from the truth. Your website is like your digital shop. You would never open a physical store and then ignore it. You would not avoid cleaning it, updating it, or promoting it. In the same way, a website needs ongoing care if you want it to stay effective. Regular updates, speed optimization, fresh content, and detailed search engine audits are what keep your website relevant, competitive, and visible to your audience. These are the maintenance steps that allow your site to perform well month after month. The online world evolves every few months. New standards, new technologies, and new user behaviors appear all the time. Your website needs to evolve with it, or it will slowly fall behind. Many people still believe that WordPress is only meant for blogs or beginners. It is one of the most common misconceptions in the entire web development space. But the truth is very different. These famous websites are completely built on WordPress. WordPress powers more than 40% of all websites on the internet. That includes major global brands, media companies, high-traffic platforms, and even Fortune 500 companies. So clearly, the platform is far more capable than most people assume. The real difference does not come from the platform itself. It comes from how the platform is used. When WordPress is handled by professionals who understand development, optimization, and long-term maintenance, it becomes a powerful and flexible system that can support almost any type of website. A professionally developed WordPress site can deliver strong search engine performance, fast loading speed, solid security, and high-quality design. It can be just as effective, stable, and scalable as many custom-built solutions, and in many cases, it can be even more efficient. So the next time someone says WordPress is only for beginners, remember this. It is not about the tool. It is about the skill behind it. There is a modern myth that has spread quickly over the past few years. Many people confidently say that artificial intelligence will replace web developers entirely. It is a bold claim, and it sounds exciting, but it does not reflect how real web development actually works. Artificial intelligence is powerful, but its role is supportive, not dominant. It can generate simple templates, create starter layouts, write small pieces of code, and help find errors in existing code. These tools save time and make certain tasks easier, but they do not understand the deeper layers of what a website needs. A website is more than just lines of code. It represents a brand's identity, its voice, its values, and the experience it wants every visitor to have. Artificial intelligence cannot understand emotion, it cannot interpret a brand's personality, and it cannot make strategic decisions that align with long-term business goals. Those elements require creativity, judgment, and a genuine understanding of human behavior. Web development is a combination of psychology, design, functionality, user flow, and technical problem solving. It demands empathy, imagination, and strategic thinking. These are qualities that artificial intelligence is not capable of replacing. At Edgewave Innovations, we use artificial intelligence as a creative assistant. It helps us brainstorm faster, explore different design directions, automate repetitive tasks, and optimize small parts of the development process. But it does not replace our team. It enhances our work, allowing us to focus on deeper thinking, meaningful experiences, and high-quality solutions. The truth is simple. Artificial intelligence assists. Humans provide the innovation, the vision, and the understanding that make a website truly effective. So the next time someone says artificial intelligence will replace web developers, remember this. Tools evolve, but real creativity and strategic thinking still come from people. More than 70% of users browse the internet from mobile devices today. That means the majority of your audience is not visiting your website from a laptop or a desktop computer. They are viewing it on their phones, often while multitasking, moving, or making quick decisions. And if your website is not optimized for that experience, you are losing potential customers every single day. A mobile user has different needs and different behaviors. They expect fast loading pages, clear navigation, readable text, and buttons that are easy to tap. If the layout breaks, if the text is too small, or if the site loads slowly, they simply leave. They do not wait, and they rarely come back. When a business ignores mobile optimization, it is not just a design issue. It affects conversions, trust, search engine performance, and overall user experience. In other words, it directly impacts results. That is why mobile-first design is no longer optional in 2025. It is essential. Designing for mobile-first ensures your website works for the majority of your audience, and then scales up smoothly to tablets and desktops. It creates a faster, cleaner, and more user-friendly experience across all devices. If you want your business to grow online, mobile cannot be an afterthought. It has to be the starting point. At Edgewave Innovations, we do more than build websites. We create fast, responsive, mobile-first digital experiences designed to convert. Our team focuses on speed, search optimization, security, and smooth user flow, ensuring your site performs as well as it looks. We also provide ongoing updates and maintenance, because a website is not a one-time project. With the smart use of artificial intelligence and strong development expertise, Edgewave delivers solutions that help your business grow online. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel and help more people discover this content.